Wait, what if I told you that typing one single sentence could literally do an entire week's worth of research for you? Seriously, in just seconds. Welcome back to The Explainer, guys. Today, we are breaking down Google's absolute game changer, their massive 2026 AI update. And trust me, the stakes for how you do your job on a daily basis have absolutely never been higher.
I mean, just picture this for a second, okay? You type a simple prompt into your computer. Something like, hey, help me research electric cars. You hit enter. And instead of just spitting out a polite, generic text response, the AI actually rolls up its sleeves and goes to work for you. It scours the web, finds trusted sources, reads hundreds of pages, writes actual code to analyze the raw data. It even creates your spreadsheets, builds a professional slide deck, and generates a literal podcast explaining everything it just found. No way, right?
Okay, let's dive into this because I know this sounds exactly like a sci-fi movie, but Google has just made it our reality. We are looking at a four-step automated process here that honestly acts less like software and way more like a dedicated research team working around the clock for you. You go from searching to synthesizing to coding to presenting, all without ever leaving your browser window. All right, section 1, the AI productivity revolution, from NotebookLM to Gemini Notebook. So, Google has officially taken their wildly popular tool, NotebookLM, and completely rebranded and upgraded it into Gemini Notebook, which is a complete AI workspace. Now, think about the old way. You were constantly downloading PDFs, gathering plain text answers, manually piecing them all together in different apps. It was tedious. But wait, wasn't AI supposed to make us faster? So Google recognized this huge bottleneck and built Gemini Notebook to actually do the heavy lifting for you. It combines your search, AI, data analysis, and document creation all into one single workspace.
Moving right along, section 2, discover sources, automated research. Think about how much time you used to waste, like hours, just trying to find the right information, right? Hunting down websites, downloading massive, boring reports. Well, the game has completely changed. Now, if you type in a topic, say artificial intelligence in healthcare, Gemini Notebook automatically searches Google to recommend trusted research papers, professional articles, official docs, educational resources, the whole shebang. You just review the suggestions, click import on what you trust, and bam! Instead of spending your entire morning collecting PDFs, your actual meaningful research starts in minutes.
Okay, section 3, native Python code execution. Now, what's really interesting about this is the AI isn't just guessing the next word in a sentence anymore. It is actually calculating. Let's talk stakes here, especially if you work with data. Imagine you upload a highly messy Excel file. We're talking thousands of raw, unorganized rows. Normally, you're spending your entire afternoon manually cleaning that up, right? But now, Gemini Notebook writes its own Python code in a secure cloud, processes the data, finds the trends, builds the charts, and calculates statistics to give you actual understandable insights. And the absolute best part? You don't need to know a single line of Python. The AI handles all the programming right behind the scenes. It's crazy. Up next, section 4, auto-generating work output. Listen, we are officially shifting away from the era of painfully copying and pasting AI text into Word or PowerPoint. We're entering an era where the AI just generates the ready-to-use file for you. Need to prep tomorrow's big business presentation? You don't have to stare at a blank slide anymore. Within moments of analyzing your research, Gemini Notebook will generate instant, structured PowerPoint slides, perfectly organized, perfectly formatted, and totally ready for you to present.
And hey, it definitely doesn't stop at presentations. If your team needs structured data, you literally just ask for it. You can instantly generate an Excel file, or, if you're a developer, you can have it spit out perfectly formatted CSV or JSON files. The AI just builds the exact file format you need based on the research it literally just analyzed.
Need study notes for a test? Done. A formal corporate report? It creates one. Blog drafts? Consider it handled. You are no longer settling for blocky plain text that you have to spend an hour reformatting. You're getting instant work output that is incredibly, incredibly close to the final product. It is just a staggering leap in productivity.
All right, on to section 5, video overviews and interactive podcasts.
So remember those famous audio overviews that went totally viral? The ones where two AI experts hosted a shockingly realistic podcast conversation about your documents? Well, Google just introduced an incredible new format. And this brilliantly illustrates how things are changing. Instead of forcing you to read long, dry reports, Gemini Notebook creates highly engaging narrated visual summaries. We are talking generated slides, graphics, the whole thing. And you can customize it depending on whether you're studying for an exam, teaching a class, or presenting to your corporate team. Because let's face it, learning is just far more effective when it's visual and conversational.
Let's look at Section 6, Google Drive Auto Sync. Okay, so previously, if you updated a source document, you usually had to go through that really annoying process of re-uploading the new version to the AI all over again. Actually, scratch that. It's over. Not anymore. Now, when supported Google Docs, Sheets, or Slides change, your notebook stays updated automatically. That means exactly 0 duplicate files, 0 outdated documents floating around, 0 unnecessary uploads. Your entire team is always looking at and querying the absolute latest version of the information. Let me tell you, that is a massive, massive relief for collaborative work.
Finally, Section 7, your ultimate AI research agent. When we pull back and look at all of this together, the core thesis becomes incredibly clear. Gemini Notebook is no longer just a chatbot, right? Or a simple digital notebook. It has evolved into your ultimate end-to-end AI research agent. So the crucial point is this new workflow distribution you're seeing. The AI is now assisting across the entire lifecycle of your project, discovering, analyzing, generating, and syncing. It's beautifully balanced. For you, the user, this means you will spend drastically less time painfully switching between 10 different tools and way more time focusing on your actual ideas and productivity.
Google is moving at just an unbelievable pace right now, and if they keep developing this AI agent, it is going to completely redefine knowledge work as we know it. So I want to hear from you. Which of these new features impressed you the most? Are you blown away by the native Python execution, the Discover Sources tool, the AI video overviews, or maybe the auto-generating PowerPoints? Drop down into the comments and let's debate which feature is the real game changer. And of course, if you want to stay ahead of the curve on all these massive updates, make sure to like and subscribe for more AI explainers. Thanks so much for joining me today, and keep exploring.